Welcome back. In this video I want to show you how to add pictures, media, PDF files, and other content to pages and posts. So you can see I'm already logged in, and you can tell by the black bar here on top. I'm going to head back over to the dashboard, and you can add pictures to posts and to pages. It's the exact same process. So in this case I'm going to go ahead and add a photo to a page. So I'm going to click on Pages here, and I seem to remember that the About Us page just had text and no photo, so let's go ahead and add a photo to this page. Alright, you can see we've got our title About Us, we've got our content here, and sure enough it is just text. So let's go ahead and try to add a picture. To add a picture, just take your cursor and click wherever you want the picture to be added. In this case I'm going to add it to the very beginning of the page. And then I come up here to this button that says Add Media, and I'll go ahead and click on that. Once I've clicked on that button, you'll see that I have a pop-up window, and here I've got a few different options. Option number one is to use a picture that's already been uploaded to the website. And if I were to scroll down, you'll see these are all pictures we've added to the website so far, as well as Word documents and PDF documents. Well, in this case, I would prefer to upload a new photo for this particular page. To do that, I come up here, and instead of clicking on Media Library, I need to click on Upload Files. So I'll do that. I have a blank screen where I can drop files to upload, or I can just select files by hitting this button here. I'm going to go ahead and select files. Once I do that, I can select the picture that I want. In this case I'm going to use this Apple picture. Click Open, and you'll see the picture being uploaded to the website. While it's uploading, let's go ahead and talk about some of the options for pictures. Over here you can see a preview of the picture, and you have some options here. If, for instance, you want to add a caption to the picture, it's really easy just by adding some text to this box right here. Additionally, there are some other settings you might want to play around with. For instance, this alignment here allows me to align my picture to the left of the page, the center of the page, or the right of the page, or no alignment at all. In this case, I'd like to align the picture to the right-hand side of the page. I have another option down here, which is the size of the image and how it shows up on the page. Right now I can do it at full size, which is 900 by 600 pixels, or medium size, which is 300 by 200 pixels, or just a square thumbnail. In this case I'm going to go ahead and hit medium, and then I'm going to hit this blue button which says Insert into Page. Sure enough, the picture shows up here on the right hand side. Now remember that what you see in this box here is not necessarily what it will look like on the actual website. And so, for instance, I can always come up here and hit Preview Changes to see what it will look like on the actual web page. For now, though, let's just talk about this picture. If I were to click on this picture and decide I didn't want it, if I click on it with my mouse, I have several more options that show up. I can resize the picture. I can change the alignment again. I can edit the picture, or I can delete the picture. Let's just click on Edit for a minute. Edit doesn't give you a lot of options, but it gives you a few. Again, you can add a caption here, you can change the alignment, and you can change the size, including now to a custom size. Let's go ahead and just X out of this for a minute. Another option is if I want to make my picture bigger, I can just drag on these arrows, and now the picture takes up a little more of the screen. This picture may look fuzzy to you right now, but when I update it and go to the actual page, you'll see it's not fuzzy at all. Alright, so I hit this blue update button to save my changes to this page. Once again, I get this banner on top with this little green bar that says that the page has successfully been updated. Let's go ahead and view this page now and see what it looks like. Alright, so the page is now here, and now we have a picture as a part of this page. Let's go back and edit this page one more time. Let's pretend, for the sake of argument, that we need to add a file to this page that we would like users to download. Again, I just put my cursor where I want it. I can hit Add Media, and I can either upload a file, like a Word document file, a spreadsheet, or a PDF, or I can choose one that we've already uploaded. In this case, let me just choose the 2017 membership form that we've already uploaded to the website. So I would click on that. Here I can change the title or how it will show up on the web page and hit Insert into Page. Sure enough, here is the link to that PDF membership form. Alright, well, I don't actually want this on the page. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Let me show you one other thing you might need to know, and that is linking. So in this case, our page that says About Us has a link to North American Fruit Explorers, or NAFEX. Let's say I wanted to link this to the web page that's Pomona, the publication of NAFEX. What I would do to make a link is select the text and then come up here to this little icon that looks almost like a linked chain. And if I click on this or even hover over it, you'll see it says Insert or Edit Link. So if I were to click that button, all of a sudden now, this highlighted text has a blue line underneath it, and it wants me to add the link or the URL that link will point to. So in this case, let's go ahead and find Pomona NAFEX, and we'll go ahead and link to that page. In fact, we'll link to the current Pomona page. Oh, never mind. I guess you have to log in to see it. Well, let's go ahead and just pretend like we're going to link this to the NAFEX homepage. In this case, I could just copy the web address here, come back, paste it into here, hit this Apply button in blue, and now all of a sudden you'll see that I've got a link here, and this is going to go to the NAFEX website. If I always want to wonder or need to know where the link goes, I can always click on the link, and again you'll see where it leads to. In this case, we'll go ahead and just delete this link here. You can do that here. You can also edit the link. Oh, I forgot you have to highlight the text and then hit Unlink. All right, we'll hit Update. And we're done. We've added a photo to the page, showed how to make a link, and also how to insert documents and PDFs. Alright, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll talk about users and how to manage users of the website. Thanks.